Okay, let's do this like the movies. At Paramount Studio.
Welcome to my plot in East Sussex. Again it is rain and rain and more rain. In fact, every day has produced rain. There was disruption in the village this week due to the local farmers harvesting their sweet corn. The roads were choked with tractors pulling large trailers full of chipped corn stalks and others full of sweet corn. The main problem was the mud on the road, and one of the topics of a council meeting that I attended on Thursday evening. I also harvested what remained of my sweet corn, variety Incredible, which had a yield that was incredible, with a taste that also was incredible, and planted in virgin no-dig bed that was topped off with a layer of 100 litres of professional compost bought online from Ideal World shopping channel, which I have to say I thought was also incredible. I planted 3 separate blocks in rows of 3 over 6 weeks. There was 15 on the first day, then 2 weeks later another 15, and 2 weeks after that another 15, giving a total of 45 plants. You notice my new assistant? I've called him Grebo from Terry Pratchett's One-Eyed Cat in Discworld, as this feral cat also has only one eye, and due to the current bad weather has decided my polytunnel is dry, warm and sheltered from the wind. Back to the sweet corn. Each plant gave at least 2 large cobs, some 3 which were smallish, and I picked a cob a day through August, and my daughter picked 3 per week, also starting in August, or so she said, which is 42. Same through September, another 42, and October 10 plus 26 picked this week, which you'll see, which is 120 cobs, which is an average of 2.7 cobs per plant. Not all were eatable due to them going overripe, and of those picked this week, 18 were okay, but 8 had to be composted. I kept a few cobs for myself, the remainder distributed between my neighbours and daughter, which were gratefully accepted. And now this is another bed cleared. Sunday was forecast for heavy rain, which it did late in the evening, so advantage was taken, while it was dry, to give the new gate a coat of paint, or should I say coats of paint. While the paint dried, I defoliated the celeriac to assist its swelling of the root. Some winter cabbage plants were planted out for a spring harvest. Now who's making all that noise? I did mention last week of the plan to make another gate in the shed while it rained, which is what I did, or is what I am doing, more accurate. Here I've set out the gate full size on a sheet of ply, to which I have used to set out the mortises. Any spare time on the plot has been utilised to strip any available pallets. So please do like, share and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and when subscribing please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. And thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye. Oh, meow and Grebo.